Good morning, afternoon, and evening, ladies and gentlemen. Stormtopia.com forecaster Nick Sayer here to discuss the forecast with you. The forecast memo: more snow than earlier thought, meaning more snow than we expected yesterday. Still less than 10, but plowable, meaning greater than 3. The European model being the best. I went gun-ho with the Euro, and I'm glad I did. Let's talk about tomorrow's forecast first. Alright, we are going to be looking at... Hello? Alright, there we go. Rain, batch number 1, pushing up into southern New England by midday. Meanwhile, for the south, an all-day rain event through most of the big cities. And on Thursday morning, we'll be seeing snow pushing through the interior of the Northeast along areas from Hartford to Worcester, north and west into northern New England, rain southeast of the I-95 corridor, and snowfall accumulations we're going to get to in a bit. Futurecast comes first. For Futurecast, by tomorrow evening, snow is filling in the Snowshoe Mountain area. We've got snow in around east of Pittsburgh. There won't be that much snow in Pittsburgh itself. Scattered showers pushing along east of I-95. We have rain changing to snow in places like the northwestern suburbs of D.C., Baltimore. Meanwhile, the western portions of Virginia are seeing quite heavy snow and snow winding down in West Virginia, the state itself, snow and rain ramping up in southern New England, and by the time we get into the late night or after midnight, this is around 2, 3 a.m., we've got heavy snow pushing into Connecticut. We've got heavy snow pushing on in through the Appalachian Mountains. Meanwhile, along I-95 into the east, all rain. Still the case by the time we get to 7 a.m., we've got rain changing over to a quick batch of snow on the back end for New York City, snow all the way for the rest of northern New England, rain changing to snow in Hartford and Worcester, finally some snow on the back end for Boston and Providence, but not a ton, a little too late, too little. Two-thirds of the event for most I-95 cities will be in the form of rain, not snow, which is why there'll be 3 times as much snow where it stays all snow. And here's how much snow there will be. There's going to be a good swath of 1 inch or greater. I know, big whoop, alright? That's where the storm produces precipitation that stays at least some part snow. Meanwhile, 3 inches or greater running from the Smoky Mountains into West Virginia, western part of the Virginia state itself, 6 inches or greater in the mountains of West Virginia, 6 inches or greater from the Berkshires to the Greens to the Whites to north of Route 6 in Maine, the Poconos, and the Catskills, 3 to 6 inches where about half the event is rain, from Worcester to Hartford and points north and west. Bangor, Maine will likely see up to around half a foot of snow. But again, most folks still less than 10 inches. That's it for now. Have a great day, and stay safe out there.